In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this abstract art in 5 minutes. This is how the scene looks like. Let's create a cube. Type S and Z to scale on the Z axis. Shift Z to wireframe view. In edit mode, type 1 to vertex select. Select the scale the top vertices like this. Ctrl R with the mouse wheel up to add multiple loop cuts. Let's select the top vertices and proportionally rotate them. Let's create a mesh circle. If you don't see that in the menu, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. In edit mode, F to fill. Type I as in India to extrude inward multiple times. I'll rotate the vertices proportionally like this. In object mode, select the cube, and shift-select the circle. Ctrl P to parent. Let's select the circle, and activate the vertices instancing. I'll select the cube, and resize it a bit. Let's rotate it. Ctrl A to make instances real, and M to put them to a new collection. Now we can randomly transform the meshes like this. I'll show you the material and the environment light details. Then I selected the meshes, and pressed Shift D to duplicate, S to scale, and R and Z to rotate on the Z axis. Here are my sky texture settings. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.